A very good morning to our lecturer, Puan Noai binti Idris. Today, my team going to present PBL assignment for the subject Air Distribution System. I am Chia Kok Han, and my team member are Muhammad Afi, Muhammad Nazrin, and Khor Shu. Our problem today is to find out the reason why room 1 is more nearer to FCU as compared to room 2 and room 3, but the temperature inside the room 1 is very hot and you can feel more cooler in room 2 and room 3.
Air velocity after FCU is high and the airflow is turbulent, so pressure in the room over than pressure at the main duct to branch duct because high velocity and the cool air cannot enter the room.
Another reason is the total air enter not equal to the total air return. So in order to solve this problem, I suggest to install the return grill in order to balancing of the transfer of the airflow.
The reason that causes the room to be not cool is the heat passing through the pathway, and the solution is that we can installing a new insulation around the duct. This will help to prevent vibration and also maintain the cooling effect.
Another reason is the room position is direct to the sunshine, which is cause additional heat to the room. So for the solution, we can add certain or install sunlight prevention coating on the window. Another reason that may be occur in this problem is leakage between the joint or passway in the duct. So the solution is we can perform a leaking test to inspect the joint and hole ducting.
If you have any question, you may leave your question below link in YouTube.
In conclusion, among all the problems and solutions, I think the best way to solve this problem is the at branch after the FCU. This is to balance the velocity and pressure and distribute the cool air evenly through all the room.